What's up everyone, John Schiavo here at the pond. First time testing out my new TF9s. I just got done with a training session, so I'm going from my custom skates to my TF9s for the first time. This will be me stepping on the ice with them. I'm super excited to try them out. Let's get it going. This was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shoot me a message here if you have any more questions. We would love to help you and answer them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. And I'll see you at the next video. Have a great one.